Like I always say, don't take advice from a goat. They do not really remote. Like I always say, Meanwhile, in the Lego Akapa residence. What the? Ah, crap, another vacuum cleaner. Now I have to go to the store and buy another one. Are you tired of buying a vacuum cleaner because your old one breaks down on you? Yes. Are you tired of your vacuum cleaner failing to suck all the dirty particles around your filthy house? Yes. Are you? I get it! So order the Prime Vacuum today, only for $39.99. Call now. Warning: Prime Vacuum is not responsible for death, crying, etc. Prime Vacuum is death, crying, etc. All rights reserved. Patent pending. Call now. Call now. I need to order that vacuum. To the phone. Approximately 6 months later. When will that dumb vacuum get here? That must be it. Where is it? It's beautiful. It's time to get this thing inside. All right, let's see if this vacuum is worth the wait. I'm impressed. It's sucking all of the particles. Let's see if it could suck up these. What? I knew there was a catch. Oh, what did manual said again? What did commercial said again? Never hoist the Prime Vacuum to maximum. Oh, hoist the Prime Vacuum to maximum. It worked. What's happening? Whoa, what's happening to me? Watch it! I hate Mondays. Get out my way!
What? That must be the weirdest thing that I've seen all day. Right, Catchy, the cash register?
What the? Get out the way! No flippin' way! I am tired of people using their Prime vacuum cleaners to push others out the way. Well, I stand against it! I warned you!